Dear friends, in class 9 we have one 8th example, solved example in the book. It is from chapter number 6. Example number 8 is, in figure the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC. It is a triangle ABC and side AB and AC are produced to points E and D. AB is produced till point E and AC is produced till point D. If bisectors BO and CO, if the bisector BO and CO of angle CBE, please try to understand this. BO is the bisector of this angle, means these two angles are equal, and CO is the bisector of angle BCD respectively meet at O. These bisectors meet at the point O. Then we have to prove that angle BOC, this angle BOC means this angle BOC is equal to 90 minus half of angle BAC, that is this angle. Now let us see how to solve this problem. We will start with angle BOC. We are asked to prove this. So let us write the given things. We are given in triangle ABC, sides AB and AC, sides AB and AC are produced up to E and D respectively. This is given to us. Then we are also given that BO is the bisector. BO is bisector of angle CBE, and CO is bisector of angle BCD, and we are asked to prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 minus half of angle BAC. Now watch carefully. We are supposed to start from this and we have to prove this. So let us start with BOC, this angle. Now we know that angle BOC plus angle OBC plus angle OCB is equal to 180 degrees. That is the angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. Or you can write the property itself. Sum of interior angles of the triangle is 180 degrees supplementary. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is supplementary. Now look at the figure. OBC is this angle and OCB is this angle. So I am transposing this to the right hand side. So I will get angle BOC is equal to 180 minus angle OBC plus angle, this will also become minus angle OCB. Now multiply this equation by 2. So let's see what we get. Multiply equation by 2. So you will get twice angle BOC is equal to, this will be multiplied, it will become 360 minus twice angle OBC minus twice angle OCB. Please note, I have multiplied this by 2. Why I have multiplied, you will understand. Because I want to write this, we are given that BO is the bisector. It means this angle and these angles are equal. So this twice OBC is nothing but EBC and twice OCB is nothing but BCD. So since OB and CO are the BO and CO are the bisectors, this twice OBC is equal to EBC, or you can say CBE. So twice angle BOC is equal to 360 minus twice BOC you can understand, twice OBC is equal to CBE, angle CBE, and twice OCB is nothing but BCD, angle BCD. Watch carefully, this region is BO and CO are bisectors of angle CBE and BCD, and angle BCD. Now look at the figure. This CBE is nothing but 180 minus angle ABC. I hope everybody understands. This forms the linear pair. CBE and ABC forms the linear pair. So, okay, we will write one step for this. But angle CBE plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degrees. Reason is linear pair. Therefore, I will get this CBE is equal to 180 minus angle ABC. If you transpose angle ABC to that side, I will get angle CBE is equal to 180 minus angle ABC. I am going to put this in at this place. Watch carefully. So let's give some number to the equation. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. And BCD also. Now look at the figure. BCD plus ACB is also equal to 180 degrees. Again they form a linear pair. So I will get angle BCD plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degrees. Reason is angles in linear pair are supplementary. Angles in linear pair are supplementary. So BCD is equal to this BCD, angle BCD is equal to 180 minus angle ACB. Give this equation number. Now see what I am going to do. I am going to put this equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. So I will get twice angle OBC. Put equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. So I will get twice angle BOC is equal to 360 as it is equal to 360 minus angle CBE is this 180 minus angle ABC. I am going to write it in bracket 180 minus angle ABC. Then minus again minus angles BCD. BCD is this 180 minus ACB. Again it is 180 minus angle ACB. So I have substituted the values of angle CBE and BCD. Now let us see what we get. So I will get twice angle BOC. Left hand side I have written as it is. The right hand side I am going to write now. This is equal to 360. Please note, now if you open the bracket, signs inside the bracket will change. So this will be negative 180. This negative will become positive angle ABC. Angle ABC plus, I am writing this side, plus angle ABC. Again this will be negative 180. This negative will again become plus. I will get angle ACB. Now watch carefully. This is 360 minus 180, again minus 180. So 360 minus 180, it is again 360 minus 360. So this will become 0. So I will get twice angle BOC is equal to angle ABC plus angle ACB. Watch carefully, see what I have got. I have got twice BOC is equal to ABC plus ACB. Now look at the figure again. I have got ABC plus ACB. I want to write this in terms of BAC, that is this angle. Now we know that ABC plus ACB plus BAC is equal to 180 degrees. The reason is sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, or you can say angle sum property of the triangle. So I will get from figure, I am writing here from figure, angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degrees. Watch carefully. So I have got angle ABC means this angle ACB means this angle, and angle BAC means this angle. So sum of interior angle is 180 degrees. The property is angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. Now ABC plus ACB. ABC plus ACB we want to resubstitute the value of this. So carry BAC to the right hand side. So I will get angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 minus angle BAC. So watch carefully. I have got the value of this. Give equation number 4 and this equation number 5. So if you put equation 5 in equation 4, we will get the answer. So if you substitute angle, put equation, I am writing this side, put equation 5 in 4. So we will get twice angle BOC is equal to this, but this is equal to this, is equal to 180 minus angle BAC. So if you transpose this to the other side or divide equation by 2, you will get angle BOC is equal to, therefore angle BOC is equal to 180 divided by 2 becomes 90, and half of angle BAC. So this itself was asked to prove angle BOC is equal to 90 minus half of BAC. So it can be proved in this way. Please be careful while writing. I have solved in this way.